Hello. Today I wanted to talk about my home internet access lab with LOXILB on BPFire. So it has firewall and load balancer feature. So this is my diagram and to describe my home network. Okay, so you can see here, here is the internet, and then here is the Comcast ISP router or modem. So this is on my first floor. Mostly I use Wi-Fi for internet access. So the first floor have a very strong Wi-Fi signal from the Comcast router Wi-Fi. But in the basement floor, the second floor, the Wi-Fi is very weak, and for example, if I use my iPhone, I don't have a Wi-Fi signal at my basement. So here is the solution. I have a mini switch, with Ethernet cable connected to the Comcast router to my basement floor, and here is my basement network. So I have two BPFire installation as a high availability for internet access. So this BPFire is on a mini PC, and yeah. So I run the Keep Alive high availability open source software on BPFire. So this is another BPFire running in a Dell server. So they have a shared a gateway IP for the green network, and then it has another mini switch. So then this is my backend server running Linux, and then I have a very old Netgear Wi-Fi router. I use it as a Wi-Fi access point. Okay. So now then my iPhone or iMac can connect to this Wi-Fi access point with a strong signal, so I have internet access. So this is my basement network with BPFire and backend Linux web server and Wi-Fi access point for iPhone and iMac at the basement. Right? So I'm going to show you the video here to show my physical lab environment. So this is a mini PC with a BPFire. See the screen, BPFire, and this is a Wi-Fi router, access point, mini switch. This is a mini PC Linux server and my iMac with Wi-Fi access. For example, here I have two Wi-Fi signal. The first one is the Wi-Fi access point in the basement. The second one is the Wi-Fi from the first floor, but sometimes the signal is very weak. Right? So now let's go to the BPFire on the mini box, and okay, let's go to the web UI here. So this is BPFire 2, and we can see the collection here, and here is the load balancer labeled, and with the load balancer configuration here, and yeah, so you can see here from we can go to a website like Google. So this is the iMac, right? We should have internet access, right? So internet access works fine. So now let's do a set up a load balancer. On the BPFire, right? Cd get LB. So we have LB set up. Yeah, you can see here, this is our existing load balancer configuration. The virtual IP is 68, and then we can from this from another client machine. Let's log in a client machine. Then we can access the virtual. Curl. So 0.0.68, right? So we connect to the virtual IP 68, and we got an index response, right? So this is we look at it from the command line, but we can also look at it from the web UI, right? So yeah, I think this BPFire, this mini box, that's not this one. This mini box, so it's a very tiny mini PC. It works not only as a home internet router, but also works as a load balancer. If you have a home web server or whatever application you want, you can do load balancing through this mini PC to your home server. And yeah, and also it like again, in my basement I don't have a good Wi-Fi, so with just addition of this mini PC as a BPFire home network router, I can collect this old Wi-Fi router as in bridge mode to this mini PC as a Wi-Fi access in the basement, so it saves money. Yeah, so in my another video I'm going to do the high availability failover, and so even with this mini PC breaks, you can still have another BPFire, which is on this Dell server, as a high availability for BPFire. And yeah, so thanks for watching.